Mom accidentally ended the video, so we took a little break.
You only missed like
10
minutes
minutes.
of stuff.
Like 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, well, whatever.
Mom's talking about her.
She went on this amazing. We got a lot of solo travelers. I'm sorry.
Oh, yes.
I'm sorry. I guess we gotta ask questions. So she went on this amazing trip. She's going everywhere, and she just came from like Santorini and was showing me my dream solo trip to wake up and just come out to a balcony with the water and gorgeousness. Ooh, can we see your video?
Oh, yeah.
Show her video. I'm choking on my granola bar. Oh, we gotta walk though.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. And so that's...
That's Santorini. Yeah.
When were you there?
I was there from June 6th to June 11th.
Okay. So not that long ago.
Yeah, not that long. It was beautiful. It was the best experience of my life.
Yeah, Mom says she wants to go on a solo trip alone and all that stuff, and she wants to wake up to a beach, so...
Did y'all see the video?
Mm-hmm.
That's my dream, y'all. Isn't it nice? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're getting close to some water, so that prayerfully means that hopefully our 2 hours of walking might almost be over. But I can tell you this. After this exercise, Johnnica better not ask me nothing about going to nobody's fitness center. On nothing. Look, he cracking up. He cracking up.
About how you better not ask nothing about no fitness center on the cruise.
Yeah, we gotta get our workout.
You gotta get your workout.
There is a fitness. I know, but she don't like to go work out with me. She's like, I better not ask her nothing about going to work out. And so she got to the hospital. You know what?
Yeah, guys, we're just walking. Hopefully, we're going to the place. Sorry. Yep, hopefully we're going to the boat. Sorry guys, I'm up here trying to eat some Skittles. Look at that. Man. It's Christopher Columbus. I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Hey, this is where that thing is. Remember that we saw yesterday? That you said you didn't think you would do. But I want to do it. We're going by the water. I'm not the asshole. So where are we heading now? We're about to take the cruise ship. Oh, yes, we get to sit down.
I just give you the ticket. I just give you the ticket.
And then what do we do?
You can use that later.
Okay, but then we go to helicopter?
Yes.
Okay.
Give you the tickets, then we take the taxi over there.
We take a taxi?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
I know, right now it's super hot.
Yeah, it is. It's hot. I get to sit down in a car. You would never be that excited.
You're screaming.
Oh, God. I would never be that excited about a taxi.
You would.
Imagine even.
I know, right? Yeah, you've been pushing all these luggage and everything. Yes, they set her up. We asked if we could bring our luggage, and they was like, oh, well, we don't think we have anywhere to store it. Not knowing we was about to walk for 2 hours with it, and she brought her luggage. And I feel so bad for her because we got a ridiculous amount of luggage. If we would have brought our luggage, Lord Jesus, we would have been looking real stupid.
I would have quit halfway through.
You would have quit. I would have been like, never mind, we going back to the hotel. Like, this is too much. Why can't we just take the little boat thing down?
I think like like they're going to do the helicopter ride right now for everyone.
Yeah. I need to know how much more they're gonna charge me for my fatness.
Come on.
He
Well,
said if you're more than 110 and I'm 120 kilogram.
Oh, I think it's going to be fine.
He said if you can't be more than 130, but you can't be more than 130. But if you're more than 110, then they charge you more. So I'm wondering what the overcharge is.
They don't weigh machine, yeah. You don't
Right.
have to tell them.
Okay, you better tell the girl, because I'll go with your lie too.
Yeah.
You know how when you take the kids to the buffet and be like, he's 5, even though he looked 13.
He's going to go get her.
Let's get in our cruise tickets. Go get the water. Go show them the water and stuff. It's nice.
Okay. Let's see if I can get down there without tripping.
No, nobody said go down nowhere. Just go right there.
This is the ship we were supposed to be going on. Look at that water. I don't know if y'all know this, but I love just water, like anywhere. This has to do with water. Look at this port. It's crazy. And then look at that view. Mom wants to go on that thing. Right there. I don't know why she wants to go on it. We're afraid of heights, so yeah. I would not go on that thing, even if I wanted to. Even if she pushed me, I would not want to go on that thing. No, my Skittles are falling out. No, I'm mad. Ooh, let me sneak up on their conversation.
On his birthday, we're gonna do the Tower Bridge Brazilian restaurant.
Kids, there's 3 of you.
There's
3 of you.
Yes, 3 of me. Yes.
So
Thank you.
take a picture of the time schedule if you want to do it later.
Okay, thank you. Take a picture later.
I will. Look at that. We're about to get in a taxi. You guys probably don't want to see that. We'll probably pause.
You don't know. It might be a fancy taxi.
This thing has a fancy taxi.
Let's take a selfie. Stretch it out. Who's gonna press? Who's gonna press the button? I should have stretched it out.
We're gonna do the helicopter.
Okay, here.
I'm going to the helicopter. I'm gonna be so scared.
Why?
You know how I'm deadly afraid of heights.
You are not deadly afraid of heights. You're being super dramatic right now. This would have to be like exhilarating.
I love her fancy new choice of words.
Exhilarating?
That's a new one for the books.
Is it? Do you not know?
For you.
Are you trying to make me look slow? Yeah. Don't do that. Because I use big words all the time. Like,
Comment section, please tell me that she does not.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
She can't even say the word.
I said it once, and it was hard to say it more than once fast. You say it.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay,
There.
they probably practice with you in acting or something. Or choir, who knows? Just because I'm not
If
a
Peter Piper
linguist.
picked a pecker.
See?
If Peter Piper picked a pepper, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick?
If Peter Piper
Picked a pepper.
Pick of peppers.
That's not how it
It
goes.
is too.
If Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers, how many
No,
peppers?
you're not saying it right. Slow down. Who are you rushing for?
Peter Piper picked a
Peter
Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Then how many?
Because you're still not saying it right.
Okay.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And it's not an if in front of
Peter
it.
Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Parker
If Peter picked something, how many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Now, I don't know the second half, but I know the first half. If y'all know it, let us know in the comments. That's what they say in those videos. I'll be watching them, but I don't know. He quitting on y'all again.
Yeah, I am. I gotta eat my Skittles.
He eating candy. Hasn't even ate breakfast, but sitting here eating candy. Tell me, y'all, while at the hotel, we had a kettle, a water kettle, to run the water, you know, to get the water hot for his oatmeal, because I wasn't about to pay $30 at that hotel breakfast. So we packed lots of food for him, like we always do on trips. Yeah, I run the water in the kettle, get it hot, and this kid, I'm like, Landon, make your oatmeal so you can eat your oatmeal. It's my fault, because I should have explained in detail how you make this here oatmeal. There were teacups on the table, and he was supposed to put the oatmeal in the teacup with his spoon. And where'd he go? Hey, Landon, where'd he go? I know, I see them, but where's him? Oh, they're in the taxi. Okay. So anyways, he's supposed to pour the oatmeal into the cup and then the hot water on top of that there oatmeal in the cup and cook it. Yeah, why he poured the oatmeal in the kettle, in the water kettle to cook it. So now them folk are probably gonna be like looking crazy when they go back to their room and see that their water kettle is now full of oatmeal, cooked oatmeal. It's about to be a whole mess. Okay, y'all. We about to. Did he invite you to the taxi?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See, there's the taxi. We're about to go in the taxi. Okay. We get to sit down.
You look like an influencer.
I am an influencer. I influence every day just with being me. So,
Not what I meant. But okay.
I know what you meant. Oh, now they're getting in the taxi. Oh, bye? No, not us?
Later, 5 minutes later, taxi will be back and catch you.
Oh, okay. We're on the next taxi.
Please wait just 5 minutes, taxi will back. It's very near here. They have
Okay.
to separate 3 groups, so please sit there.
The taxi. We get to take a break while we wait for the taxi. Look at the view. Landon taught me how to put y'all on pause, but I'm not gonna close it this time. Oh, y'all, look at that. That's what I wanted to do. And Landon said it was too high, but I want to do it so bad. I don't know how to get up there though, and I don't know how much it costs. Okay, I'm about to put y'all on pause. All right, guys, we're back. We're in the taxi, heading to the helicopter. There's our driver. There's John. Ika. She hates when you call her John,
Yes, she does.
but I do it anyway.
No, you don't, because you like all your teeth.
Girl. Don't let her play you. She wouldn't hurt a fly. And she won't, because she's scared of them.
Literally. I'm not scared of flies.
She's scared of everything else. Be calling folk across the street. Oh my God. Can you come get this?
This vlog is not about me.
But she really do be calling me over there to get a spider though.
Lane is scared of spiders too, yeah.
You just had me come kill a spider like a week ago. Didn't she not call me?
It wasn't a week ago.
Okay, it was like 2 weeks ago. Are you looking at me or are you looking at them?
She looking at you because you telling her business in the streets.
I meant, is
I
the
know
camera...
he's been dishonest because I ain't seen a spider since I bought those spider things. Those was a couple years old. It was a worm I asked you to come and get.
Oh, a worm? Where was a worm at? In your
her
house?
garage. What turned out to
in
be
the garage.
turned out to be a
leaf?
Oh, no, it wasn't a leaf. It was a branch.
Oh, ended up being a branch. Would you like to sing for the people? Would you like to tell them a story as we drive? Tell them what you're looking forward to and... Huh? What? They can't hear you. And neither could I.
Sing that whole tired song you were singing to me.
What
What was
you
I singing to you?
That rap song. I'll be a man. I'll be a man. Only I can. All that dumb stuff you saying. Sing that song.
Sing your song, brother. Sing your song.
No, that was a rap song. And that is not appropriate for our audiences.
Who's our audience? He pointing at y'all. Oh, that's funny.
Not appropriate for your audience, but you torture me with it?
Yeah.
I know that's right. Here, I'll show y'all outside.
Got a new boy in my basket.
I wonder what's the theme song for the Barcelona for Spain.
He gonna try to start singing as soon as I move the phone.
Oh, that skunk was French. He wasn't Spanish. I was thinking about that skunk.
Pepe Le Pew?
Yes, he'd be like, I love you.
Look, there's the cruise ship. Are those the cruise ships?
Oh, that's a big cruise.
Are those it? Here they go, y'all. This where we going later today. This be that one's nice. Look, bring out my Tiffany Haddish voice. That's nice. Look at that cruise ship.
I think we should just go. We don't need no luggage.
MSC. Oh, okay. So we just about to be without luggage for the next 3 weeks. Okay. The cruise is not our last spot. We'll have
You want to stay in that outfit for 3 weeks? Go ahead.
Right, that's your business.
You can sleep in that outfit.
We'll have you hand wash it each day.
She knows she ain't about to keep nothing that long. She can't even re-sleep in pajamas, let alone.
Okay, let me tell you these wax.
Hey, that's not too much. Ooh, that's pretty, y'all. That's not too much of your business. That just lets people know you clean.
Okay. How high?
That
are
you
we
don't
gonna be on
believe
this
in
helicopter?
re-wearing pajamas, and I do because
How high are we gonna be on this helicopter?
in the air, how much higher can you get?
I mean, like I'm just a little,
Here,
you
talk
know.
through your emotions to them.
I'm just like a little, scared, like a little.
I just want
bit,
y'all to
a
know.
little bit.
I just want y'all to know. He flew here on a plane. He's going to fly on multiple other planes in the meantime. So I don't know the confusion
It's
of
not the same.
the helicopter.
It's not the same as a helicopter. You could fall out of helicopter real quick.
You fall out of the helicopter?
Yes.
Here, take this with you.
Oh, okay. Come with me, guys.
Oh, I keep hitting my head.
I don't know.
Where's everybody else?
Maybe because you're being a twit.
Oh, look at that. They're going fast. Oh, yeah, they're going fast. What'd you say?
You ready?
Yeah.
This is the helicopter you're gonna take later.
Okay.
You see, they have a seat in front. They have the big window. It's gonna be great thrill. Take pictures.
Okay. so scary.
No.
It really does. The helicopter looks
Did
so
you already
scary.
do it? You're going to. I already did it. It's really nice. Oh yes, the view is amazing. I'm not going to show you because you're going. Then I'm going to ruin your surprise.
Yeah, no. I
That's
don't want
why.
to see it.
Yeah,
So it's quick?
it's quick. Yeah.
Okay. Mom, it's really quick. They already did it.
Okay.
They said the view is amazing.
I bet. I'm so excited.
Okay. I'm turning it around.
I'm so excited.
Well, I don't think
afraid
we,
of heights at all.
Need
So.
the passport.
Oh, passports. Okay.
I don't think we'll be able to view on the plane though. Or
Don't just come to me. I'm trying to help you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And they're gonna know your weight. It's okay.
you
They
excited
need to
on
know my weight? I'm
Jessica?
110 kilograms.
Then you're perfect. If you're not over that, right? If you're over that, they're gonna charge extra.
They gonna weigh me?
Yes.
Look, you don't want
Okay, I'm
you don't
120.
wanna, you don't want to die. Get out there.
So that's $100?
Yes.
$100?
Yes, they have this kind of policy.
That's the devil. Did you pay it?
I couldn't. I
You couldn't. If you're
You went over the other amount?
130,
130, but $100 more? He just said $100 more.
No, he said his was even more.
You
than
can't. He's the max. Get out
the
this
max.
man business. It's okay. I used to be there. Brother. I did. The Lord just delivered me. I lost weight from bariatric. I was with you. Quit showing this man on the camera.
That's a blog.
We're gonna know your
You're
weight.
gonna feel like emotions on the vlog.
Please. They're
You
gonna
ready
know
for me?
Lord help me.
Oh, Jesus, that is hilarious. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Look, let me take everything off. We take our shoes off.
Shit, I did the same.
Stop
Stop trying to take me.
This is hilarious. I can't breathe. He's on top of shit. Oh, God. Oh, this weight, this skill better be right.
She crazy. She crazy.
He was like, no, me, I'm not sure. Oh, God. That is hilarious. Oh, Jesus. Okay, help me find it.
Okay. We'll let you mind your own business while you get weighed.
You probably don't gotta wait.
Yeah.
Everybody's going for the roses.
This is like Spain Valentine's.
Catalonia.
Yeah, but it's only from Barcelona.
From, yes.
Catalonia.
Because in Spain they do
Spain
the
it's San
Valentine's.
Valentine. But here in Catalonia, it's
Yes, exactly. So yeah, and everybody goes with the roses.
How old is she?
Well, we have two.
it's like 14.
They're gonna know your weight.
Okay. I gotta get weighed too.
I want to wait every time. And so I want to see if I lose this time. You gotta weigh yourself? Oh, okay.
Take my shoes off.
Boy. What's your weight? You 22. Girl, can you subtract? Can we subtract his weight from my weight? I'm only over by like a little bit. He's my kid. He came out of me.
No, they have to make the helicopter some balance.
That'll be balanced.
Yeah.
Because isn't it the three of us going in it together?
The second one is.
Hold the camera for me, please.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus. Let me
No, which one? Which one? Sorry. Is her or the other?
Are you ready? Wait.
Oh.
Yeah,
so this
but
one.
we can go together and we can be together and you can subtract it from.
Okay, thank you.
What was it? What was it, girl?
It's 115.
15? Come on now, you can give me them £5 or 5. Yeah, I was 115.
Yes.
Okay. So can that subtract from his number?
It's not possible. Sorry.
So I still gotta pay an extra $100.
85.
85 euro.
Euro is the same. That's $100.
Do we need another one to the weight?
Probablemente no se puede pagar este teléfono. Ella tiene que pagar.
What's wrong?
And they're also gonna separate you guys
Why?
because the weight. They're gonna like only 2 people go to the helicopter.
So now we can't all ride together either?
Lo entiendo, lo
This
entiendo.
is getting ridiculous. I'm sorry, thank you.
That's a lifetime experience.
I know. So now we can't ride together either. Ugh. So we can't ride together. Yeah, they're right here. So we can't ride together. Us three. Why? She said because of the weight. Here, no, yours is the middle one with the. Because of the weight, we can't ride together. My weight was 115, which that was lower. I think all this 2-hour walking helped me. Anyways, I was 120. Now I'm 115. So we can't ride together. I don't know. Who, me? Can it be me and him at least? Can you find that out? Because I at least want to. I'm not going to pay an extra $100 if I can't even do it with my kids. Yeah, we need to ask that question. And I'm only over by 5, and I got to pay extra $100.
Take your shoes off.
I took everything off.
Take your hair off.
They're naked. My hair probably do way too. Man, it's these clothes. I wonder if they'll let me go naked.
Oh my God. Okay.
They probably
I
have
don't think
this-
clothes
that
weigh
deep
5
cover here.
But y'all know what, y'all? I'm proud of myself that it's even at the 115 because God did that. He did that.
God did.
Because I'm telling you, I weighed myself on Thursday before we left, and I was at one.
Yeah, you and your son gonna do it together.
Okay, as long as I know we can do it together. My sister, you're gonna go by yourself.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Let me show you.
Front seat have a big.
You get to have front seat by
Get out
yourself.
my face. Weird.
Look at Wendell. He said, "Ooh."
Please tell them your name and your son's name. They will arrange you together.
Okay.
I know.
Here. Here.
I'm afraid of that.
He said,
I'm afraid of heights.
You afraid?
And I'm
You
still
got-
doing it.
You putting us on it?
They gonna take pictures and everything.
Are you afraid? Be afraid.
absolutely not. Fear is false evidence appearing real. When you know your God created the universe, you don't get scared like
Look,
that.
this
And this
isn't
got
a
to
TED
get way
Talk.
out of my face.
No comment.
No comment.
No comment.
What's the comment?
No paparazzi.
No paparazzi.
So tell them, this is our friend Wendell that we just met. Lanisha has been embarrassing this poor man like crazy with her
No, I
blog.
have not. Just recently about our own fatness. I'm fat too.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
He's like, I live in the States, so I get all this blog.
Wendell, where are you from?
New York.
You're not
New
going to
Jersey, most likely Newark.
You don't have a Jersey accent.
I don't know. Oh, because family's from the Caribbean, so.
Oh, okay. Are you on the cruise too?
No,
You don't get that thing on my face.
If this don't push me to lose more weight,
I know, right? I hit that gym.
You hear that?
When I go back to Jersey,
the gym on the boat. Only one day.
That ain't gonna do nothing.
I'm gonna see if there's a gym in Barcelona.
Did you say yes? You on the cruise?
No,
Oh,
He said, hold up that sign of my money every time I go to gym. How much I have to pay.
I'm gonna hold up that sign too.
All because I'm fat.
Wendell, what are you doing with that phone? That's annoying. No, stop.
Crazy. $100, y'all, because I'm fat.
Mom, Aunt Danica made me go away because she said I'm annoying with this camera.
I can't believe they can get another 100 and something pounds on the
Yo, 100 and something. You don't want to give me a whole number.
Wait, he went past the landing spot.
She said they can't fit another 100 or something, but we ain't about to practice and try. Kobe died. We ain't got times for these games.
Whoa.
Kobe hit a mountain. It had nothing to do with it.
No, it went before the mountain.
Oh, can we stop talking about this? Please.
You all right, and Wendell, you all right?
I'm very scared for my own well-being.
All right, what am I talking about?
The weather was bad. They hit a mountain. They ran into a mountain. It had nothing to do
Okay,
with their
well,
weight.
let me tell you something. We ain't taking no chances of them and weight. If they can't fit
Well,
us,
girl, I went parasailing with you when you was your regular weight. So what are you talking about here?
it's not regular. Don't regular it, because it's gone now.
Y'all having the most weirdest conversation.
She trying to hold me to my pre-weight in Hawaii, but that weight has left the building. We's a new person now.
Why are you still two people?
Understand.
You said wheeze.
You're trifling. She's ridiculous. This is what I deal with on trips, but she always want to be with us. How they treat us.
Ain't nobody like you.
How they treat us.
You better not be live on TikTok right now.
No.
It'll be on YouTube. You can follow me if you want. I only got like 15 people. Ain't much to happen. This is my first little vlog. I'm doing it for my 40 before 40.
Wendell is
Mine
a
is-
little.
this is
He's a
mine.
little camera
You have
shy.
one- you do one. You do
I'm
it too?
starting one. Well, ever since everybody's like, when do
So are you.
Yeah, me
you gotta
too.
start it. So mine is called
right
Chasing Cravings, and I do food tours.
You be doing food. You shouldn't brag about that right now.
What happened?
Wendell looks like
we
he's
can't do
eating
it
his
because
hat
we too
right now. I'm
big.
not sure why.
It's the food that got us here.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sorry. Yes. See, it's not your name, right? Yeah.
It's the food that got us here. That's so sad.
Against.
Here.
I am a promoter.
You can record us when we get on.
Okay, we'll have to. Oh, but are you gonna stay here or are you leaving?
Where? I'm doing right now. I am staying in Barcelona.
No. You still
tomorrow.
hold it? Okay.
And then I'm going next week. Where I'm staying doing study abroad on Barcelona. Not Barcelona. Valencia, where I'm doing Spanish. And then
You're
next
gonna
week-
study abroad?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a
study
college
abroad.
student. Oh, okay, nice.
No, I'm trying to do it before my grad school.
Oh,
starts.
gotcha, because it's more expensive.
So yeah, so I want to do that before my grad school. So then, next week I'm doing Portugal.
Okay.
And from Portugal, do a week in Portugal. Then I'm going to Morocco, do 2 weeks in Morocco. Then I'm
Okay,
going
Wendell.
to Italy.
I
and
see
then
you
from-
trying to create
and-
a map on the wall.
and from Italy, 3 days in Paris, and then back to New Jersey.
Okay. All right, Wendell, you better live life and go out there and eat. Enjoy it, because I'm all about adventure eating. I'm about that
None of
life.
these folks at home in Jersey want to go anywhere.
Why? I would think, because y'all got the easiest. I know, right?
I'd rather stay home.
Yeah.
on the grill
That
and
ain't me, though. That ain't me, though,
Put
at
someone on
all.
the grill and keep it moving.
No, we be out. We be going. We be on it. Yeah, no. And that's interesting because New York, y'all got the easiest access port of like access for flying. Everything come out cheap on y'all.
Especially people in Newark. Like, they got the easy train system to go to New York anywhere.
Her mom doesn't know she's out on a trip right now.
Your mama don't know you out in the streets.
Her mom's in London and she thinks she's in America right now.
Y'all, look at this, mama. This is what our kids be
And
doing.
he's live.
And I'm not live.
He's not live. But
She out in these streets and her mama don't even
25.
know. Oh, you're grown though. I mean, she real grown. That's hilarious. I'm gonna tell her when we go to London. I'm gonna find her. She's in London right now. When we go, we gonna find her and tell her. We gonna show her this video. Be like, we was with your daughter in Barcelona.
my
That's
mom
a-
thinks I'm still in Valencia right now.
Yeah.
Like, how was class? I'm like,
So are you at school in New Jersey?
working.
Oh.
Digital marketing.
Oh, nice. And you didn't have a blog before now, but you're
I know,
in
right? I
digital?
take care of everybody else. I help everybody else.
Yes,
but
you
I
should
never
be doing
myself.
it.
So I'm like, now. It's
Yeah,
time.
because I know nothing of what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm literally just recording to record
Yes,
because
good
I don't
content.
know how to edit or do any of that stuff.
Just get some content. That's the first time. Just get as much content as ever. Then when you're ready to edit and everything, there's a website called Fiverr. They'll do all that for you. Just tell them what you want done. How
Is
you
it
want
free?
$5 per minute edit. Thing.
I'm at 35 minutes right now.
So that's like what, $150?
That's more than this flight. No, I'll pass. Look, y'all just about to get all this. Y'all gonna get the good, the bad, the ugly, and all. Did they go already? Did y'all get to all ride together?
Oh, Mom, we can't talk on there, so they won't be able to hear us because we have headphones on. So
Y'all won't be able to hear us on the helicopter, but you'll be able. I'm sorry, my fatness threw you off.
can I get my phone so I can take a picture of the helicopter and me on it?
Yeah, because we do got to take pictures.
I can brag that I was on a helicopter, y'all. I'm finna be bragging that I was on a helicopter, y'all. A private
I was trying to get
helicopter.
the accent, where the accent's from.
Yep, I have a sister in Albany though. Yep, but no, we're from Indianapolis. Hey guys, so I had to pay €85 to ride on this here helicopter,
Which becomes $100.
which is $100
US.
after we'd already paid for the whole thing. But when you're fat, that's what happens. And I couldn't miss this chance, so I put out them coins so that I could be out here with the kid. Bye. Nice to meet. See you guys on the boat. Yes, don't forget. You up close so I can show your mama.
Follow me on Instagram. It's Chasing Cravings. Chasing Cravings with a K.
Chasing Cravings.
Chasing
Oh,
Cravings with a K.
we're on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube.
We're starting. We're all starting.
We're all new starters, but I don't know if you'll remember mine. I'm is LMS in the number 2. What is it? Is it Live, Laugh, Love? Or Live? Is it?
Can't remember your own channel name.
Is that what it is?
Yes, Live, Laugh, Love.
Live, Laugh, Love. You know, the saying like Live, Laugh, Love, or Live, Love, Laugh, whatever it is.
Chasing Cravings.
I stole that from Julia Roberts.
Mr. Cravings.
Either way, it's LMS in the number 2, and then Live, Laugh, Love, or Love, Laugh. Mix those up. You're so sweet. I won't tell on you no more.
See?
Bye.
Bye. Safe travels.
She was very sweet. Okay, so are you going on the cruise, Wendell?
Yeah. I gotta do something.
I know that's right. You done paid for this thing.
What was it, $150?
No, I don't think ours was. I know I didn't pay $150.
After the conversion. After
Well,
they converted
I paid
to-
US.
After they paid you.
I paid on Expedia in US dollars, period. But I know I didn't pay $150 because I would have been like,
Because I thought I was paying $129 and said that you conversion came over and I see I'm paying $149. I'm like, whoa.
yeah, I feel like, here, Lena, go outside with this and we'll do some recordings outside. So they're not just sitting here. I feel bad. Y'all just listening to nothing. So it gave away, Lena.
Trying to get me out of here. She want to talk for some reason. Excuse me. I'm about to go out here, y'all. Hi. You see the helicopter? It's just going in a circle. And here it comes. Y'all can't hear me. I don't think y'all can hear me. I'll be right back. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I don't know if y'all can still hear me or not. So that's what we're about to be on. Wasn't that crazy? Here, I'm gonna give you back to mom.
No, you're not, because I told you to go out there and take the recordings of them in the water. You're not following directions. I'm not supposed to go off that helicopter.
Did you hear her? This is abuse. She said she was gonna throw me off the helicopter. I'm reporting abuse. You won't be able to hear me out there, so I'm just gonna be showing you the view.
Unsecure.
I done spent. They done took my money already. Wendell.
You won't be able to hear me, so. It was good? Oh, I think that's our tour guide. I think we're doing it now. We're about to get on. Are we getting on? Are we doing it now?
Sorry?
Can we get on now?
No, they're gonna call your name.
Okay.
They're gonna call your name later.
I'm going to show you the view. I'm just about to sit here with y'all. TED Talk Landon. So, comment section. How have y'all been doing? You get some popcorn yet? It's been like a 40-minute video. It's like a movie now, y'all. What'd you say?
You can do good one. Good. I will take you when you want.
Okay.
Okay? Or you need. Just let me know when you need.
I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah, it looks nice. It looks really nice. I'm excited for it. But yeah, it has been a long video, so hope y'all got some popcorn, y'all chilling and relaxing, because we are about to be in a couple hours. Once we get on that cruise, I'm out. Flat straight out. Like, I'm probably gonna fall asleep in the car. Knowing me. But yeah. There's the helicopter. Pulling it towards. Alright, y'all, there ain't really nothing to do now. We just gotta wait. Wait until they call her name. We can't record inside, so all we can really do is take pictures. But we'll tell y'all how it is after, okay? Probably gonna hand the phone to Aunt Janika or something and she can record. That sounds good. I'm really excited though. I'm excited for it. I do miss all y'all though. Everybody in the comment section, all family, just saying hi. Miss y'all. Okay, it's time. Turn the phone to Aunt Janika and she'll take care of y'all. Aunt Janika, here you go. Keep them company.
And your phone needs to go in here too.
It's not allowed to take selfie sticks.
Here, I can't take a selfie stick?
No, but
Okay.
you can take your cell phone if you want.
Okay.